Hello Krishna. In today's class we are going to solve EVS worksheet. Are you ready?
Yes, Mama.
Okay. Now you have to circle the places in our neighborhood. Okay? Which one? Home?
House.
House. Okay. Next one? School.
School.
Is neighborhood, no? Okay, next. That one also house.
House.
Okay. Then library, post office is neighborhood.
No.
Okay, library.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, next. Fire station.
No.
Okay. Here is house again.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Next. Tick the odd one out. Okay. Which one is odd in these four?
Apple.
Why apple is odd one? Odd? Circle.
This apple.
Okay.
This fruit.
This is fruit. These are?
Vegetables.
Okay. Very good. Okay. In this, which one is odd?
Teacher. Postman. Fire truck.
No. Baker.
Baker.
Okay. Which one is odd? Fire.
Fire station.
Okay. Krishna, match the picture with the correct word. Match the picture with correct word. Okay.
Please.
Okay. If somebody gives gift, what you say?
Thank you.
Okay. If
Sorry.
color the glow foods. Color the glow. Circle the glow foods, Krishna. Circle the glow foods. Which are they?
Grapes.
Okay.
Capsicum.
Very good.
Tomato.
Okay.
Banana.
Okay. Next.
Cabbage.
These are?
Glow food.
Oh, very good, Krishna. Tick all the healthy foods, Krishna.
Okay.
Okay. French fries is healthy?
No.
Okay. Ice cream?
No.
Apple?
Yes.
Tick. Okay. Fish?
Yes. Stick.
Okay. Omelette? Tick here. Omelette? Okay.
Yes.
Broccoli?
Yes.
Okay. Chocolate? Healthy food?
No.
Okay. Carrot?
Yes.
Okay. Juice?
No.
Okay. Pizza?
No.
Meat?
Yes.
Okay. Fruits?
Yes.
Chicken?
Yes.
Milk?
Yes.
French fries?
No.
Ice cream?
No.
Okay. Done. We'll go to next one. Number the correct order to wash your hands. First, what you do?
First
wet
your hands.
Okay. Next, take.
Second, take soap.
Okay. Third,
Third, rinse hand. Third, rinse hand.
rinse. Okay, rinse.
Rinse.
Next. Okay. Next step.
Wash hands.
Okay. Next. Fifth one. Okay.
Dry hands
Drying
with
hands.
napkin.
Okay. Drying hands. Match the names to the road signs, Krishna. Okay. No parking. Show me where is no parking.
Here.
Okay, match. Okay, zebra cross. Which one is zebra cross? Show me.
Here.
Okay, match. Okay, no U-turn.
No, you don't.
Show me. Oh, okay, match. Okay, men at work. Okay, no left turn. Very good, Krishna. Next, match the community helpers to their names. Okay, I will say the name. You have to match. Okay, fireman. Match. Show me where is he. Okay, policeman.
Policeman.
Come here. Okay.
Here.
Okay, soldier.
Soldier. Here.
Okay, doctor.
Doctor. Doctor.
Yeah. Okay. Nurse.
Nurse.
Okay. Pilot.
Pilot.
Okay. Postman.
Post.
You come from here. Okay. Here. From match. Okay.
Postman.
Chef.
Chef.
Okay. Good job, Krishna.
Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you all.